In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Outlook in full screen mode. If you want a cleaner, larger view of your email and less distraction on your screen. Switching Outlook into full screen mode is a quick and helpful adjustment. This is especially useful if you're reading long emails, organizing your inbox, or simply want more space to work comfortably. To get started, open Outlook on your computer and wait for your inbox or main email window to fully load. Once Outlook is open, look around the top area of the window. The control you need is usually found near the upper right section of the screen. What you're looking for is the upward-facing arrow, or the option that changes how the window is displayed. Simply click that arrow to expand the Outlook window. This action helps maximize the available space, so your email content becomes easier to see. After clicking it, Outlook will switch into a larger, full-screen style view. In this mode, you'll have more room to read messages, manage folders, and navigate your mailbox without the smaller window getting in the way. This can make the whole experience feel more focused and easier to use. If your Outlook window was previously reduced or not fully expanded, this step should immediately make a noticeable difference. You should now be able to view your email in a full screen mode, giving you a wider and more open workspace. As a quick tip, if you ever want to return to the previous window size, you can usually click the same area again to restore the window. That way, you can switch back and forth depending on how you prefer to work. This is a very simple setting, but it can really improve visibility and make daily email tasks more comfortable, especially if you spend a lot of time inside Outlook. And that's it. Once Outlook is open, just click the arrow at the top to expand the window, and you'll be able to use Outlook in full screen mode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.